I am so glad to be here to talk about some great fall flavors. Number one is our Southern Hemisphere oils, which are arriving. They are fresh. Two is squash. For this recipe, I'm going to start with the squash already roasted. The last thing we're going to use that's very important is, of course, microgreens from Karen Corral. I had a couple of tomatoes, chop those up. Into that, I'm going to put some pilaf, feta cheese, and some chopped Kalamata olives. I'm also going to add to that a little handful of microgreens. It's going into the broiler 2-3 minutes. I'm going to finish this off with elderberry, aged balsamic vinegar. Pick up those microgreens, swing by the olive scene for some fresh pressed extra virgin olive oil and our brand new elderberry aged balsamic vinegar. Thank you to Karen Corral for all the good work you're doing, and of course to our farmers as well.